one of the... Hold on. Your turn. Hey guys, welcome to the camping vlog. This is me after the camping, but I forgot to film an intro, so this is gonna be it. Welcome. This is my second time canoe camping. The first time I did this was 7 years ago. So it's pretty intense. It's 3 days, like a 3-day trip, where we leave early in the morning, drive all the way up to Mauricie, and we sleep there 2 nights. It's supposed to be super hot this week, but once we're there, we have no reception, so we can't tell whether it's gonna rain or whether it's gonna be really hot during the night. We just can't know, so it's a bit scary. At the same time, there's also a lot of wildlife, so there's bears, there's falcons, fish, turtles, frogs. So yeah, keep watching if you're interested. Hey guys! It's backpack. Oh, where's the arrived at the campground. I'm already being attacked by flies.
Where do you go? Breaking borders. What do you know? Follow your heart. What do you say?
We're here.
Fight the darkness.
We just made it to our campground and it's completely empty right now. We just canoed about 30 minutes with all our gear, and now we're unpacking. I'm gonna go help out. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little tour of our camping area before we build up stuff. So we have 2 tents. This is a little walkway, and then when we go by here, for in case it rains, but they're not announcing rain, so it shouldn't rain. We're gonna have our lunch spot and our our spare tent. So here it is. Really hot. It's like 36 degrees. But the water's cold, so it's really nice. And over there's some islands. I think those are people paddle boarding.
Till break of day. The heart and the pie.
It's a little passageway.
Like a chameleon.
There's another couple on our beach. But besides them, we're completely alone. It's so nice. For cheers. Shatter me. As a snack, I have some Smarties that I picked up. So this is the setup. We have our lunch area here, our picnic table, and then we have, this is our safe space from the flies. So here's all our food. And basically our closet with just all of our gear and stuff in here. Pretty cool tent. The real passage is here. You can go see it. This passage leads to 2 things. First we have the bathroom here. Then we have this giant green thing. So this green thing right here is used to hang the food up high so that bears and other animals can't get to it. Continuing on this path, it leads us to our second campsite. Mountain Equipment Co-op tent. And inside this tent you have my brother. And you have our sleeping bags. camera, so right now I'm just taking a bunch of pictures. Let's go catch some tadpoles. Okay, there's one, but it's swimming away. One right there. I got him! My mom is making supper, and I'm overheating, so I'm trying to acclimatize in the water. We're good. Look! Oh my god, that moth was huge. Good morning. It's day 2, and it's currently, what time is it? 9:07 a.m. and I just finished journaling for a little bit. I discovered my journal from 2 years ago, and I had it, my last entry was in 2023, and I had started it in, hold on, I'm pretty sure I wrote it 2021. Most of it is from high school, and now I'm just writing a big update on my life.
I don't read your journal.
So this is where I keep all my secrets. Last night I was reading my book. It is so good. It's very good dystopian, and obviously you probably already heard of it, Shatter Me series, but it does live up to the hype so far. I'm not very far. I'm only at chapter 14. I read 80 pages. And right now my parents are making scrambled eggs for breakfast.
You moved all the way down there?
I just learned that that's a toaster. It's a little windier today, which is good because that means there's less flies. There's still butterflies. Our neighbors arrived, so we have people next to us now. And my brother and my mom and my dad are going to the islands that are right in front of us. Another one here. Oh, it's still alive. They're so pretty. Look at it. Their wings are drying, but I found them all on the side of the water. To be honest, the bugs don't really bother me, except for the flies. The flies are the worst. They just orbit around your head, and then they decide when they land, they're gonna bite off your skin, which is super annoying. Yesterday, my brother and I found the salamander, which was really cool. Very cool looking. It had orange spots. I just wanna go out and walk with you.
It doesn't even go in the water.
Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Your turn. I won. I just wanna see your shadow. It's currently 2:50. I won the game scope against my brother. The flies are becoming out of control. And I feel like I look like it's been 24 hours, over 24 hours that I'm here. Tired, and the coffee's not. I mean, it's cafetiera, so coffee's good. It's just the temperature of it is what's annoying. Everyone's phones are dead except for mine and my dad's. But there's absolutely no service. So I have no idea what is going on in the outside world. Today is La Saint Jean Baptiste, so it's a national holiday. And we're just doing one of the most Québécois things. which is camping. Even though my family isn't like French Canadian, like my grandparents were born in Italy, still important to enjoy the culture of the province that we're in and the country that we're in. I believe a lot of people miss out on how soothing it is, like how peaceful it is to be disconnected from the world and just disconnected from your phone and just like everything superficial, and just be with like your family living. It's like it really grounds you. There's so many national parks in Canada and Quebec. Like this one is 2 hours if you count like driving inside the national park from my house, so that's really not that bad. And like it's so off grid. Like on our way here we saw a bear. When you see bears, you know you're very much in the wild. Like muskal routine. Oh my, muskal routine. Doing mine. I put it in my hair. It's starting to have bites.
Sailing on the pavement without two weapons. I like to see the shape you're
I just showed
in
out some of my
from
awesome
time
magic
to time. I
Now
just
we're
wanna
making
see your shadow
supper.
next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next
Took
to
a little shower in the lake. Now I do my nighttime routine, so I brought my labello. And now I'm gonna do some braids. This is my new snack idea. Pretzels and a marshmallow.
Done?
This is what it looks like at 9 o'clock.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes
this
or
morning,
an hour or two.
and I'm in full gear.
Baby, you know
This is our little setup for sleeping that my dad is undoing.
I just wanna go out on a walk with
And then we have all of our sleeping bags. Look, there's my bookmark that I lost. But all our stuff. And this is our little tent right here. We're packing back up. Currently taking down all the tents. Our fly tent, other tents. We're all packed up.
Oh, how easy it's to forget.
Our journey is complete. Just closed the pickup truck and lugged all our stuff back up. But we recently discovered these devices, things that would have been useful the first 2 times. They're a game changer. Just dropped off the paddles and we're done.
Hoping just to get by.
Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed. This is a bit different than what I usually do. Mind you, I don't have much out there, so showing all the sides of what I like to do. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of it. And if ever you have questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be glad to help if ever anyone wants to plan a trip like this. So let me know. Thanks for watching.